my channel. I'm Amparucci, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some delicious s'more stuffed chocolate chip cookies. But before we get started on the recipe video, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up, click down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new recipe videos. So into my stand mixer, I'm going to add a half stick of butter that has been softened at room temperature. To the half stick of butter, I'm going to add a half cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to mix this all together until it's nice and creamy. Then to this, I'm going to add a quarter cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix it again. Alright, and to this I'm going to add 1 cup of Bisquick first. Mix that all together. Then I'm going to add another half cup of Bisquick and a quarter. So that's a total of 1 3/4 cups of Bisquick. And now the dough has come together nicely. To this I'm going to add a quarter cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I know it seems like a little bit. If you want this to be really chocolatey, you can add more. But these cookies are going to have chocolate on the inside, so I feel like that's enough. Here I have a 1/3 cup of mini marshmallows and a quarter cup of dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. And I'm using these Ghirardelli dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. They are so delicious, and even though they say dark chocolate, they are sweet. They're not bitter at all. They're perfect. Here's my cookie dough. It is perfect to shape into a ball. That's how you want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is grab a ball about 2 inches big, make like a little bowl shape out of it. And then to that, I'm going to grab one of the wafers, place it there in the center, and grab a few marshmallows and another wafer. And then we're going to start closing this up. We have a giant ball that's going to give us a huge cookie. You can try to make them smaller if you want, but I feel like this is the perfect size. And you want to be sure that there's no cracks in the bottom or holes so that the marshmallows or chocolate don't leak through. And you do want to space these a few inches apart because these are going to spread. And that's why I didn't add too many chocolate chips into the batter, because this is stuffed with chocolate and I don't want too much chocolate flavor. But if you love that extra chocolate flavor, then feel free to add more chocolate chips if you want. I think that's enough for now. So I got 5. This batter will probably give you about 7 of these jumbo cookies. So I pressed down on the cookies just to flatten them a little bit. That's going to help them spread more in the oven. And I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes. So after about 17 minutes, these are the cookies. And I'm going to let these cool at room temperature for like 5 minutes. So at this point, while they're cooling, you can go ahead and add a few marshmallows on top if you want to. So these are the cookies after I let them cool for a few minutes. Look at how big these are. And look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's get a close-up of this as we open it. All right, I'm gonna taste this bad boy. So good. Thick and chewy. This is the perfect type of cookie to dip in milk. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super delicious s'more stuffed chocolate chip cookie video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Also, check out my blog, which will be linked ahead, and check out these other delicious recipe videos.